Hi, today is Wednesday, August 22, 2012. I'm here to show you the functional status of my Mamiya 645 1000S camera kit, which I'm having it for sale at eBay. Included with the kit is the 1000S body, which is in great shape. As you can see, there are no dings, no dents, and the leatherette cover is intact without any peeling. Also included with the kit is the non-metered prism viewfinder, and of course the 120 film insert. Let me just insert this here. The focusing screen is a split type screen, so it's easy to focus. And of course, included with the kit are my 3 lenses. I have a standard 80mm lens, a 55 wide angle lens, and a 150mm short telephoto lens. All of these lenses are in great shape. The optics are clear. There are no scratches. There are no smudges, no marks. And as you can see, the markings, the values are quite clear and very easy to read. I have included these UV filters, and I also included one brand new circular polarizer, which you could use for your landscape photography if you're into that. So cosmetically, there's nothing wrong with this camera kit. The only issue is that I lost the cap, the body cap, because I usually have a lens attached to the body. I purchased this system from a studio 2 years ago, and it was used sparingly for my studio work as my medium format camera. The last time I used this camera was about a year ago. By then I got a RZ67 system, which I have been using exclusively for the past year. So this has to go. This has to be auctioned off to a lucky bidder. I replaced the battery with a brand new one, a silver oxide battery, and I also included a third-party neck strap, which is quite nice. It's soft and it's very comfortable when you wear it around your neck. I lost the original Mamiya strap, so I replaced it with a new third-party strap. Functionally, the system is in good working condition. There's nothing wrong with it. Everything works perfectly. The shutter speeds, the apertures, they work as they are intended to work. But having said that, we should remember that this is a 30-year-old camera. The first 1000S camera came out in 1976. So because of the age of this camera, I'm giving no guarantees on its longevity. I cannot give guarantees if whether it will last another 10 years, 5 years, 3 years or whatever, because as I've said, it's an old camera, and giving guarantees for this type of used item is quite foolish. To show you how it works and to prove to you that it works, let's try it first without the camera lens on. So to engage the shutter, you just crank this, set whatever shutter speed you like. In this case, I'm going to set it first to half of a second. Okay, you could see the mirror and you could hear the sound of the shutter. Let's try it at a higher speed, at 1/15th of a second. So the sound and the mirror slap is quite faster. And let's try it at a fast 1/500th of a second. So as you can see and hear, the shutter is quite accurate. I developed my own film, so I could attest that the shutter speed of the body and the apertures of the camera lens are accurate, because the films that I developed shot from this camera came out quite good. There are no problems whatsoever. Special mention is given to this lens. This is the 150mm short telephoto lens. It's not an ordinary lens, because this is a leaf shutter lens. This means that the lens has a built-in Seiko leaf shutter with a maximum speed of 1/500th of a second. When using normal lenses like these two, you could only sync the flash to the camera body at 1/60 of a second. But with the leaf shutter lens, you could actually sync a flash with this body at the highest maximum shutter speed, which in this case is 1/500. To show you how it works, let's attach this lens. Just align the red buttons, twist the lens like so, and to engage the shutters, to use this lens with this body, you have to cock both the body shutter and the lens shutter. To engage the lens shutter, you could see these two notches here, the left and the right notch. You just grab them, twist them like so, and release. Crank the body. Now you're ready to shoot. So that's it for my camera kit. It's really a complete kit. Lenses range from a wide angle lens to a short telephoto, so you'll probably never need another lens anymore unless you opt for a super telephoto lens. So good luck in your bidding. After this video, I'm going to pack everything up, ready to be shipped to the next lucky winner. So again, good luck to your bidding, and thank you very much for watching this video.